So, quick tip, it's kind of answer to that problem that many people write, ask in Reddit and in some forums, that Bambu Lab Mini gives always, maybe, after first or some using error with build plate. Just keep in mind, the right positioning of build plate is this, such. So, you have to look at this head parts, back side, these places, these two gaps or heads or horns are for back side, because when this extruder goes down it touches here and it checks if build plate in place or not. Let's say you got new build plate like this. I show that everything in example how it works, because so many complaints about them, and it's so funny because people suggesting such unbelievable things, how to fix it, opening screws, and Wikipedia doesn't say anything. So, new plate, this is old plate, yes? I take this plate, I put it in that position that many people do. They put it like that. A lot of you. Who knows, but who don't know, please check that, because it's so silly simple. Look. People put it like this and think that taking off this plate is easier to hold this and to break some supports and bend it, yes? And now we go to settings, maintenance, calibration, auto bed leveling, start. I'll show you what I mean and what kind of error you get, and fulfill entire Reddit with that questions and unnecessary answers coming there, that it's fabric defect or anything similar. Look what happens. It goes back, it checks there is no head, and here we go, calibration failed, and on your PC you get that error that there is no build plate, and you go there, go to print options, you take off build plate position detection, everything off, and we go again to calibration. Look, this is wrong position, this is wrong position. Whatever you do, even with new build plate for Bambu Lab Mini, these two heads, one should pass just like here, like this. Look, we put like that, and we go to start. Okay, first I show that error, because when I start it, it will take around 7 minutes. Let's put this like this. Start. It will give error. Oops. I just show possibilities. Calibration error. So never put like that, because this bends here and hits all this plastic. And let's put it like a lot of people, complainers, do, like this. Yes, it should be so, and then complaining about errors. Okay, it looks good. Yes, we go to maintenance, calibration, auto start. It will give error because there is gap, and these are back sides, not front sides. Just look. So it goes here, goes down, and check calibration error because, and it says in PC there is no build plate. So just put your build plate in right position like this one. This place, empty space must be fulfilled with the build plate, and we go back, maintenance, calibration and auto bed leveling, and look what happens now. The solution is very simple, but questions and answers to that complaining is so weird and so funny. Look, it checks middle and it goes there and checks, look, tool head cleaning nozzle. Now it will start calibration. You see what happens? It started calibration. So one more time, last time I show you. If you get build plate error, just put your build plate like this to that horns. One side is for checking in that empty space. Don't put that like this, thinking that these two heads are for holding it and taking off. No. Again, no. This side should look at you, and these two balls go back. Look what happens. It makes calibration. Thanks for watching.